Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down a frustrating issue that affects a ton of Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles: cracked flex plates. The flex plate is the crucial link between your engine and automatic transmission, and when it fails, it can cause some serious problems. This is especially common in models built between 2010 and 2019, but if you own a Ford product, you'll want to pay attention. And make sure to watch through the end of this video because I'll reveal just how much it might cost to fix this problem. So here's the deal. Ford put out something called SSM 47976. It's important to know this isn't a recall. It's not even your typical TSB. This is just preventative guidance for mechanics. It highlights that when reinstalling an automatic transmission, two steps are critical. First, grease the torque converter pilot hub with Motorcraft XL5A. Second, and most importantly, check that the engine and transmission alignment dowel pins are present and properly seated. These pins ensure the two components are perfectly aligned. If they're missing or damaged, the transmission can be bolted on slightly off-center, creating a constant wobble or stress. Skip those steps, and that constant stress will eventually cause fatigue cracks in the flex plate. That misalignment leads to rattling noises, expensive repairs, and a whole lot of headaches. The classic symptom is a metallic ticking or rattling sound, especially at idle and park or neutral, coming from the bellhousing area. It might sound like a loose bolt or a bad bearing. If your car already has that telltale rattle, or you've had a shop confirm the flex plate is cracked, don't worry. Ford has specific bulletins for the actual repairs. TSB 2212 outlines the full repair. Obviously, you replace the cracked flex plate itself. But you also need to replace the torque converter, as the misalignment that caused the crack could have damaged its pilot hub. You'll also need new torque converter and flex plate bolts as they are typically one-time use. And in many cases, the front transmission pump seal and bushing are replaced as a precaution, since they can be damaged by the wobble. And of course, the repair includes making sure the dowel pins are in the right spot. Missing or misplaced dowel pins are the root cause of the problem. So, what's it going to cost? A full repair can run $1,000 to $2,500. A big chunk of that is labor, since the transmission has to be removed to access the flex plate. The final cost will depend on your vehicle and local shop rates. Catching misalignment early during other service can save you big money later. If you've had transmission work recently on your Ford, it's worth asking the shop if they followed this specific procedure with the dowel pins and grease. That's the core of SSM 47976, preventative guidance, not a mandatory recall, but absolutely critical for the health of your transmission. If this video helped you diagnose a problem or saved you from a future headache, hit that like button, drop a comment with your car's year and model, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.